Welcome to this comprehensive guide on how to take profit on Robinhood options. This tutorial is designed to provide you with a step-by-step approach to understanding the process of taking profit on options trading using the Robinhood platform. First, it is essential to understand the basics of options trading. Options are contracts that give the buyer the right, but not the obligation, to buy or sell an underlying asset at a predetermined price on or before a certain date. There are two types of options: calls and puts. Calls give the buyer the right to buy the asset, while puts give the buyer the right to sell the asset. To take profit on Robinhood options, you need to have an account with Robinhood and have some experience with options trading. Once you have logged into your account, navigate to the options trading section and select the option you want to take profit on. Next, click on the trade button and select the sell option. You will then be presented with a screen that shows the current market price of the option and the potential profit or loss. It is crucial to review this information carefully before making a decision. Now, let's consider a practical example. Suppose you bought a call option for a stock with a strike price of $50 and the current market price is $60. If you sell the option now, you will make a profit of $10 per share. However, if the market price falls below the strike price, you will incur a loss. To minimize losses and maximize profits, it is vital to have a clear understanding of the options trading strategies and the risks involved. Some best practices to keep in mind include setting stop-loss orders, diversifying your portfolio, and staying up to date with market news and trends. In addition, it is essential to understand the fees associated with options trading on Robinhood. Robinhood does not charge commission fees for options trading, but you may still incur other fees such as regulatory fees and exchange fees. In conclusion, taking profit on Robinhood options requires a thorough understanding of options trading in the Robinhood platform. By following the steps outlined in this guide and keeping the best practices in mind, you can make informed decisions and maximize your profits. Remember to always review the market conditions and the potential risks and rewards before making a trade.